And you're welcome to the Marketplace. I'm Charles Aitib. To our first story, the National Security Minister, Albert Kandapar, is entreating the Ghana Revenue Authority to fish out corrupt staff to ensure efficiency and transparency in revenue mobilization. According to him, such move will prevent the leakages of revenue in the country. He said his outfit will continue supporting the authority in that quest. He made these assertions at the sensitization workshop on the National Security Strategy for the Ghana Revenue Authority's commissioners and management staff.
Far-fetched to conclude that leakages, particularly at key revenue-generating points in the country, occur with the complicity of some staff of the GRA and at times even of the security agencies. We believe that the actions of these few bad nuts tend to obscure and negate the numerous positive works of the authority. I think now, more than ever, the GRA, and for that matter Ghana, need men, need women of integrity to block leakages in the system. And to succeed in doing this, the authority, I believe, must do all it can to root out those bad nuts. As Commissioner, in recent years, government has implemented other measures, such as the immediate task force, and thanks for your support to that program. There has been the Revenue Assurance and Compliance Initiative raised to complement your efforts in blocking revenue leakages. However,